Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Android photos with Google Photos easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Android photos using Google Photos, first, ensure you have the Google Photos app installed. You can find it on the Google Play Store if it's not already on your device. Open the Google Photos app once it's installed. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. You will see various options on your home screen. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner. Select Photos Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, tap on Backup and Sync. Toggle the switch to enable Backup and Sync. Choose the Google account you want to use for backing up your photos if you have multiple accounts. Select your backup settings, such as Backup Device Folders. Here, you can choose specific folders to backup, like screenshots or downloads. Make sure to select the photo quality you prefer. You can choose high quality for free unlimited storage or original quality for higher resolution. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi for the backup to save data. Under Backup Device Folders, toggle the switch for each folder you'd like to include. Now, your photos will begin to back up automatically. You can check the backup progress in the Backup and Sync settings. Once completed, you can access all backed up photos from any device using Google Photos. This process ensures your precious memories are safely stored in the cloud. You can review and manage your photos directly within the app anytime. Feel free to explore additional features, such as creating albums or sharing photos with friends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.